In order traversal means left, root and right. So if there is a node, it has a left and a right node attached to it or branching out from it, then that means that first we'll print the left root's value, then current root's value, and then the right root's value. Okay, I want you to remember that left, root and right. To implement that, I'm going to show you what to do. So in this function, in order traversal, what we're going to do is we're going to return a vector which will contain all the values inside the tree, but they are traversed in an in order situation. Okay, so first create a array, so vector int array. Okay, now this will store the answer for us or every element. Then we call the in order function. We will implement this. Now this will take two values, two arguments. The first will be root, then second will be array. Now this array is where we're going to be pushing every value which we traverse, and then we just return this array. Okay, now we'll implement the actual main function, which is void in order. Okay, now how does this work? This will take a root and it will take a vector. Now we're taking an array because we are passing this array by reference, because we want actual change to be reflected inside this array, even though we're using a different function. Okay, I hope that makes sense. The first thing to check, if the current root is null, then just end the function. Okay, so if the current root is null, then simply return. There is nothing else to do. Otherwise, you call this same function for the left side, because we will traverse until the leftmost, okay, the leftmost possible node. Okay, so we'll do that. This is a recursion, and then the current node is the value which we will push inside the array. So root.val, this is the value we're going to push, and then we move on to the right. So to summarize, if there is a root, we first go to the leftmost possible, and then if there is no leftmost possible, then we will push the current node's value, and then we will start going towards the right. Now that is the way it works in recursion. I hope that makes sense. Thank you so much for watching.